My beautiful Aquarius. Now, you might be feeling a little stuck at the moment, in need of direction. And when we get to a space where we need to move forward, it is only, it's normal human behavior to reflect back on the past. And you can do that, no problem with that. But as you reflect back on the past, I want you to see how strong you are. I want you to see the times in life when you thought to yourself, oh my goodness, fudge cakes, I can't make it. But you did, all right? I want you to see your strengths. I want you to see your capability. I want you to see your ability, okay? The next 3 months of 2025, October, November, December, bit of a funky space going on. People losing it a little bit. And in this space, I want you to remember that there is opportunity for you to shine here. And there's opportunity for you to benefit. But it's important for you to benefit from the opportunities that are coming about, that everybody else can benefit from. That you use your beautiful mind in service of, abundance, as opposed to your detriment. Now, I've done a whole reading on this. Very beautiful guided reading that is on my YouTube channel. There's a link down below in the description. You click it, it will take you there. All right. My name is Adrian Nelson. I really want to see you shine, and I look forward to connecting with you on the video.